Now let's begin with first internal test. First question is consider the term frequency matrix showing the frequency of the terms per document where each row represent a document vector, each column represent a term and each entry registers frequency, the number of occurrence of term tj in document di. Based on this table, calculate following values corresponding to the term T6 in a document. T4, D4, T6, IDF, T6, TF, IDF, D4, T6. How can we determine if two documents are similar? Document D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. Total 5 documents. We have 7 term. Values are given for each. We have to calculate T6 in document. Term frequency and inverse document frequency. Above table shows a term frequency matrix where each row represents a document vector. Each column represents a term and each entry registers frequency di tj, the number of occurrences of term tj in document di. Based on given table, we can calculate the tf idf value of a term in a document. For t6 in d4, we have T4 D4 comma T6 is equal to 1 plus log 15 is equal to 1.3377. IDF T6 is equal to log 1 plus 5.53 is equal to 0.301. Therefore, TF IDF D4 T6 is equal to 1.3377 into 0.301 equal to 0.403. To determine the similarity of documents, since similar documents are expected to have similar relative term frequencies, we can measure the similarity among a set of documents or between a document and a query, often defined as a set of keywords. Based on similar relative term occurrences in the frequency table, many metrics have been proposed for measuring document similarity based on relative term occurrences or document vectors. A representative matrix is a cosine measure defined as follows. Let V1 and V2 be two document vectors. Their cosine similarity is defined as V1 dot V2 upon V1 V2. Consider now question number 2. Consider item set is equal to this. The following table represents transaction ID with items sold. Sorry. Find association rules with 50% support and 75% confidence. Table is given, items in basket and all the items. Now we must find L1. There exists only a small number of items. We can see that bread appears 4 times, cheese appears 3 times, juice 4 times, and milk 3 times, eggs and curd only once. Since we require 50% support and therefore each frequent items must appear in at least 3 transactions before L1 is given by items bread frequency 4, cheese 3, juice 4, milk 4, 3. The candidate 2 items or 2 therefore has 6 pairs. These pairs and their frequencies are given in following table. Bread comma cheese, bread comma juice, bread comma milk, cheese comma juice, cheese comma milk, juice comma milk. We have only two frequent item pairs which are bread comma juice and cheese comma juice. From these frequent two items, we do not obtain a candidate 3 item set, so we do not have 2 item set that have the same first item. Bread and juice 3 by 3/4, juice bread 3/4, cheese juice 3 by 3, juice and cheese 3 by 4. The confidence of these rules is obtained by dividing the support for both items in the rule by the support for the items on the LHS of the rule. The confidence for the four values are 75%, 75%, 100%, 75% respectively. Since all of them have a minimum 75% confidence, they all qualify. Question number 3. Estimate number of winners having Diwali gift vouchers between rupees 1000 and rupees 1500. Restructuring data into cumulative frequency. To begin with, we have transformed all the frequencies into cumulative frequencies and have presented the data in the following table. Reposition the origin at 500 and reduce the scale by 500. This will give us the value of fx for x equal to 0, 1, 3, 5 and 7. Determine the number of gift vouchers value under 1500. Let's calculate the number of gift vouchers that have a value of less than 1500. In the other words, we need to solve fx using the formula x is equal to 1500 minus 500 upon 500 equal to 2. By Lagrange's formula, f2 is equal to 12572 approx. Determining the number of individuals with Diwali gift vouchers in specific amount ranges. For example, the number of individuals with a gift voucher value of less than 1500 is 12,572. Alternatively, the number of individuals with a gift voucher value of less than 1000 is 10,250. As a result, the number of individuals with Diwali gift vouchers values ranging from rupees 1000 to rupees 15,000 is 2322. Question number 4. Estimate the figures in the following data using operator 1128. We have to calculate this, estimate this and this. We have 6 values. Fifth difference we obtain has to be a constant. Known points are n equal to 6. We will calculate everything and then we will put the values of f8, f7, f6, f4, f2 and f1. After solving this, we got the value of f5 is equal to 125, f3 is equal to 27. We have to calculate the value of f6. If data set is 0, minus 003, 1, 006, 2, 008, 3, 012, where del 3 fx is constant. Now f0 plus 6 is equal to e to the power 6 f0. We will calculate higher difference being 0. f60 की value आ जाती है 126.